Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of November 2020, and we will see what kind of vibrations are ruling your month in terms of your partner's energies, and your workplace, your spiritual area. How is it really connecting you, and how is it really impacting you in the month of November? But before we start, I would like to share my contact numbers with you. Just in case you want to reach me for your personalized readings, you can reach me on 8448901791. By with this number, you can email, you can actually call me, you can WhatsApp me, you can send me a Telegram message as well, and you can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. Visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. Okay, so let's get ahead in your reading and see what exactly we can expect in the month of November 2020 for Pisces. Also, before we start, I will start the reading with your card, which is your theme of the month card. This theme will actually rule your month. This is a key area. This can be a solution to all your problems. This can be a advice which is coming from your fairies, which helps you to solve a few issues of your life wherein you feel like that you're stuck right now. So the very first card, which is your theme, is the friendship card. Now you look at this picture and you can see there is one person who's sitting on the floor, there's one fairy who's sitting on the floor, and the others are there surrounding her, and they are actually blessing her, helping her, advising her. So the advice here is that in your surrounding, around you, there are so many people who would like to help you. There are people who are like old friends of yours with whom you have not connected for some time now, Pisces. And if you're stuck in a situation and you think that you need help, and to whom, or if you have this question in your mind right now, that whom should I approach for my problems, and in this scenario, who can really advise me, in terms of giving me the right kind of advice from your relationship perspective also, then I think you can reach out to these people. These are your friends whom you know already, so these are not any new people. So you already have advisors with you other than me, so you can reach them, you can take their advice, because they know you so well that their advice will sound very practical to you, and it will be very positive kind of a thing which you will feel in the month of November. Going by week kind of energies now, we've also pulled a relationship card for you, and along with that I'll be going to pick few clarification cards wherever it is required, and also I will take an advice from your angels also for Pisces as to what energies, what advice, and what exactly you should release or adopt in the month of November. Okay, the very first month, the very first month is a blessing in disguise kind of a month. Like you're dealing with this kind of energy, and this is your partner. This could be someone who's very rigid in nature. This person's vibrations are like very cold. These, this actually card gives me very cold energies, wherein this person is beautiful if it is a girl, he is handsome if he's a boy, and they are so, they're proud of themselves here. So, and because they're too much proud of themselves, their personality and their qualities, they make other people's lives miserable. So they actually treat others like, what do we call it, they don't think anyone is superior than them. So that's the problem with them, and this is why now you feel like giving a chance to your own life by getting rid of these people. Okay, also in this month, wherein for few of you I told you that the friendship energies are ruling your month in this month. So there could be a friend of yours in your life who's very very practical in life. He keeps a practical approach in life, like he doesn't like any impractical things, emotional decisions. So this person can give a life, another life to you by his advice, that beautiful advice what you were waiting for a long time now. Okay, so this advice is coming from a cold energy. This person is very blunt in nature, I can certainly see that. And few people like him, few people don't like him. That's, that if for as per him it is their problem. But then this person's advice or his acts are giving you a new life altogether in your life for few of you Pisces. There are things which are ending in your life, and there are things which are beginning also in the life. So a long prolonged illness which was bothering you for some time, that's going to get end. A very long relationship which was not working well, it will go through either a transition phase, like it will be a, a refreshment which will happen with the relationship, or it will be something which will give you what it will give you, a new start in your life. Like you will leave one relationship behind, you'll move into other. You will leave one job behind, you will move into other. Or you will leave a role behind in your at your workplace, and you will move ahead from that role. So these are the energies what I see in your cards. Those are very positive energies. I call it positive because there was no sense of living in this kind of a life for a long time. That's something what I really see here, and that doesn't really make any sense to Pisces. So if you take a practical advice, if you take a practical approach in life, then this is what which is going to change your life, Pisces. Okay, any investment you have done in, maybe last year, 2 years, 3 years, you're going to get positive results out of that. That one thing which is happening here. Second, you had invested in a relationship for a very long time, and you now are thinking of getting into a marriage kind of institution, or now you will see the same kind of love coming from that other person also. The kind of investment you had done in the relationship, that's another positivity which is happening in the relationship. Okay, the third thing which is happening here is the third week, it is actually again ruling an advisor, and another advisor is coming into your life. And you're dealing with a lot of cold people in the month of November, Pisces, and maybe you're surrounded with too many, or maybe you are in an incompatible relationship where if you are an emotional sign, you're a water sign, you are actually dealing with someone who's a fire sign. Maybe you're dealing with someone who's like an air sign, so your compatibilities are not matching, because air signs and then fire signs are very fierce in nature. These guys are very open in approach. These people are free spirited people. They don't like getting bounded by someone or putting restrictions on them. That's something which actually bothers them a lot. And their harsh words are going to hurt you so much, Pisces. Then you will feel like uh, everything is over. I am not left with anything in life. My life is over, nothing is happening. Same thing can happen with you if you are at your workplace. So at a workplace, what will happen? Your boss will say something, to you, to criticize you, or you put you down, and then you will feel, okay, I'm good for nothing. I can't do anything good in life. But then listen, it is not the end of world. Such people love passing comment, or people love putting them down. But it should not impact you for sure, because there's still a life here. Okay, listen to this. Listen to your inner self. Your inner self tells you life is not over, world is not over, sweetie. So just get ahead and have a beautiful life ahead. Invest in positive things in life, not negative ones. Okay, now let me just summarize all 3 weeks first, and then I will move to the fourth week of yours. Your first week was something which is giving you a chance to relive with the help of a friend who's giving you practical advice. Then you have second week, where with the advice of this person you are ending something, you are finishing off something and moving into a different direction in life. You're getting results also of your investments. So few relationships which were at a dating stage will reach at a marriage stage, or at the initiation of talks of marriage, that can happen. Third week again, is a little difficult for a few people who are dealing with air or a fire sign, because you are going to have some harsh arguments with each other. You might not pass too many comments on them, but then they will be so fierce, so blunt in their approach, that it might hurt your emotional side, Pisces. Anyways, you are introvert people, you don't like sharing your emotions with people very easily, and that will again certainly impact you very deeply. But listen, my advice, and the advice I will give you, the hope I'm giving you right now, is that do not believe in their words. It's not worth it. Okay, you don't really have to be feeling that you're useless just because one person has a different kind of approach towards you. So it doesn't matter. You're still worth it. You still have that quality that you can run your life on your own. So focus on that. Focus on yourself. last week last week is getting you back to someone. So where one person was like a criticizing kind of a energy for you, one person who's advising you, the same kind of a sign. Okay, the irony here is that one fire, or maybe a air sign is hurting you, the other air or fire sign is actually supporting you. So you are a good friend with one, and then you are a partner to someone else. Okay, but now there's another energy which is entering your life in the last week. So this is an old friend you knew somewhere, and then this person is coming in your life to give some fresh moments in life. This is not this is not really compulsory to be a romantic relationship. It is a friendly reunion of old friends gathering, having fun together. So it will give you some light moments, and during that conversation only you will find something very relevant, which is towards which will guide you towards your life. Now, do you see this card here? You see this reunion with friends here? Now I'm taking you back to the very first card I had shown you, friendship. So now you relate the cards, you connect the energies that a friend is coming in your life. Friends are going to help you in November. You're supported with friends. You're meeting old friends also who are going to give you very good advice, and that will bring a lot of stability in life. You would want to stay there where you are for some time. Maybe if you have broken your relationship already in the second week, which are the energies, then you want to stay single for some time. That's the energy what I see here, and that's a beautiful energy, and there is no harm in being single for some time. Healing your emotional wounds, which are more critical than any physical wound you will ever have or you would have ever had on your body. These are emotional scars which need some treatment now, so treat them well. Okay. Also, I will say that in relationships, being introvert at some extent is good, but then being extra introvert is not good, because that impacts your life overall. So you need to focus on that area also of your life, that you need to manage that. It is very important to say those three magical words, I love you and then I really like you, kind of things, because that encourages your partner to have a good life with you together, and then it encourages them to give you a better life and then do something extraordinarily amazing for you. Okay, so believe in that. Also, those small romantic gestures like holding your hand, holding each other's hands, winking at each other, those also help and give a spark to the relationship. Okay, so do that. Base chakra, your thought process, your base chakra needs to be cleared, and here your words which are coming from your throat chakra needs to be cleansed. So use your words wisely, talk positive, say positive words. That's very important. Okay, and one more important mantra what I'm going to give you here is that start manifesting good things. How? After talking good things about yourself. Apne, you need to talk good things about yourself. You need to think good things about, like, if I want to have a different kind of a business setup, I will start saying, oh, my business is doing very well, I'm very happy with my work. So that starts getting manifested into your life practically. So start doing that, try doing that, and let me know how was the outcome of that. Okay, so take care, god bless you, be happy, be nice to people, be positive, and take very, very good care of yourself in this situation of COVID. Okay, bye bye, and god bless you all.